It's just brilliant. The like I complimented some of the what's it called again, the shot compositions like that. What they did with some of the shots, the sound and everything. The music choice was magnificent. Acting was phenomenal. Especially Mia Goth. She knocked it out of the park. Everything was amazing from her. No complaints, no notes. This movie lived and died based on how she did, because she is like basically in almost every scene. And I have to say, I loved her performance in this. It's a Mia Goth vehicle, and she drove it stupendously well. Big F1 winning racer, you know, that's who Mia Goth is in this.